Day 16 of travel shortcuts and tips and day 2 of hotel week. Let's talk about how to actually start looking for hotels. If you've watched yesterday's video, then you already signed up for your hotel memberships, right? Right. Now we're getting into the not so fun part for me, finding where you're gonna stay. But before you even open your laptop, let's figure out the basics. Where are you going? What are your dates? And what's your budget? Now, I also want you to think about the vibe. Do you want to stay in a busy touristy area or somewhere more local and quiet? Do you like big resorts or smaller boutique style hotels? Do you want something that's walkable, near nightlife, or more relaxed and tucked away? When you know those details up front, it makes your search so much easier and you don't waste time scrolling through places that don't even match your vibe. Let's do it together. Open Google Maps, tap hotels, and we're going to use Los Angeles as our example. Then you enter your dates, filter by price, top rated, location, and see how the map updates with the prices. This helps you quickly see which neighborhoods fit your budget and your vibe before you even start comparing hotels. And if you're not sure of the area, all you have to do is just go to Google and type in best areas to stay in Los Angeles, or check TripAdvisor's top hotels list to get a sense of neighborhoods. Today's task is to decide your destination, dates, budget, and vibe, and then pull up Google Maps and start browsing. Tell me in the comments what city you're searching. I might drop a few suggestions in the replies. Save this video, follow me for more, and share with your travel besties who are always like, I don't even know where to start. Tomorrow, we'll take what you find and start narrowing it down to your top picks. Got it? Good. I hope this helps. Come back tomorrow. Okay, bye.